In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service list to your Wix website. If you're looking to showcase your offerings in a professional and organized manner, this step-by-step guide is just what you need. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Wix website editor. This is your playground where you can create, edit, and organize all your website elements. Once you're in the editor, move your cursor over to the left side of the screen, where you'll find the Add Elements button. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a variety of options for enhancing your website. Next, let's focus on the Bookings section. Click on Bookings to proceed. This area is specifically designed for managing services, making it easy for your clients to book and view the services you offer. Clicking on Bookings will reveal multiple options related to services you can add to your site. Now we want to find and select the Service List option. This is where the magic happens. A service list is essentially a gallery of all the services you provide, helping potential clients understand your offerings at a glance. Once you've clicked on Service List, you'll see a range of templates that you can choose from. Pick the one that suits your style and brand. Keep in mind, this will be the interface that your clients interact with, so ensure it aligns with the overall look of your website. After deciding on a template, go ahead and click on the Service List widget. This widget is a powerful tool that integrates with your chosen service list template and allows further customization tailored to your website's needs. To fine-tune your service offerings, click on Manage Services. This feature lets you edit the specifics of your services, such as descriptions, pricing, and duration. Make sure the information is accurate and easy to understand, as this will be reflected on your site and is crucial for client engagement. Now head over to Settings. In this menu, you can further configure your service list behaviors. You'll want to ensure everything is set to your preferences so your clients have the best experience possible when navigating your services. Within Settings, click on Services to tailor detailed settings related to each of your offerings. This is where you really get into the nitty-gritty of setting up your service list, and you can make adjustments that will affect both your back-end management and what your clients see. Next, click on Display. The display settings will dictate how your service list appears to users, allowing you to decide what's shown prominently and how it aligns visually on the page. Finally, take a look at the Layout settings. Here, you can select from various layout options to ensure your service list fits perfectly within your website's flow. Adjust it to look organized and visually appealing, as the layout can greatly impact the user experience. And that's it! You've successfully added a service list to your Wix website. With these steps, your clients can now easily view and book your services online. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides on optimizing your online presence.